Hello my people, welcome to my YouTube channel. I thank all my new subscribers, my old subscribers for coming back. Thank you for your support, thank you for your comments, your likes, thank you for always coming back. I appreciate you. Now today we want to learn how to draft basic trouser pattern. So this one no be freehand cutting, this one na the draft. Then we want use pattern take draft them. So if na ready, make we start. The first thing we go need, I go need to outline the tools where we need. Pen or marker, measuring tape, curved ruler, straight ruler, scissors, paper scissors, and paper tape to tape the paper to the table so that you know go they move about. Then we also need our pattern paper, of course, we will go use. So make we start now. The measurements we need our waist measurements, you need your hip measurements, you need your thigh measurements, that is the lap measurements, and then you also need the full length of the trouser as well as the round ankle measurement. So if your trouser go dey fitted, if you want make it dey very fitted, you will need your calf measurements, that is the calf measurement, and you also need your round knee measurement, the round calf measurement and the round knee measurement. So let's start. The first thing we will go need to do, this paper dey straight, but if your paper no dey straight, you will need to just mark out border lines. So make I just mark out 1 inch border lines for my own paper to indicate where my markings go start from. So make I just also indicate for the size too. So just I say we know they put seam allowance for the front pattern and for only the back. So from here now we go add seam allowance. So from this side I go add, I know say we need like ½ inch for the four sides to join the back and the front together. So we need ½ inch here, ½ inch here, times 2. So ½ inch here, ½ inch here, that is 1 inch plus another ½ inch, ½ inch, because now nothing are two sides, so that is 4. So I will just add ½ inch times 4, that is 2 inches. So I will just add them here like this. From this line, from the crotch line here, I start from here. So from this line, notice now this line would they use. So this is 2 inches. So this is 2 inches. Then when you reach this crotch line, if you add 3 inches or 2.5 inches, so we'll just add 3 inches there. Then I will use this my curved ruler, connect all the lines, all the dots together, so that everything will blend. All right, so there, then here I'll just come here, then I will add 2 inches from here, from this down part, so here like this. Then I will come out here and I will mark 2 inches. So the next thing now to just from this point here, I will connect them back to this line here. So you see then I will just connect this part. So here, then connect them like this. Make sure say your line they curve like this, so make it not too, make it not too. Then curve out your line like so. Then when you reach this point here, you will just use this curved side. So you see sorry about this whole confusion where they decide. So this now our line. And the problem with marker with that. So you see this part connect to this part. Then we will cut out the front part first before we cut out the back part. So this one done ready as soon as I am so. All right, so this na the pattern of the trouser. So we go put on for our fabric now, use and cut the back pattern first. So after we don't cut the back pattern, then you go trim out the back, then use and take cut the front pattern. So now everything will be related to trouser pattern cutting. So for my next video, I will do demonstration on how to use this pattern, take transfer and for your material, take cut your fabric. So if this video they helpful to you, I beg no forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel because better full ground. Thank you for watching and I will see you for the next video. Bye bye.